okay, I need to look at this Ring Brothers car. This Mustang looks amazing. So I'm gonna do a walk around so you can see what they do with these classic Mustangs. Just incredible. With this custom bumper, no gap, nice and tight, super clean. Chin spoiler, lower valance, that's all custom. Bumper fits nice and tight up against the side. Look at that paint. All these additional trays and pieces inside just clean up this engine bay so nice. Even the firewall is fully customized. I mean, just incredible work that they do on these things. Blacked out trim. Custom dash. I really like this feature too, where they take the rocker panel, they do away with that line because the fender is long, and clean off the bottom of the fender and make one long rocker panel, more like a modern looking car. I like that feature a lot. Custom mirrors. That is just super, super nice inside there. Looks like the quarter glass is the original dimensions. No boomerang, no rain gutters, no drip rails, no trim. Did away with the little recess that goes up in here. The scoops, these are custom. They are not built like the originals. You can see this is a narrower dimension here. Sinks in real nice here at the front. And of course this has been widened. This quarter sticks out further. You can see the kick out down here at the bottom where the rocker panel comes out with it. These extensions, they've been modified because the normal extension is a flat plane, let's say, and this is fatter. You can see how much wider this is at the bottom than it is at the top. So this mimics the top dimension, but this definitely gets wider as it goes down, which helps you hide the bumper inside these dimensions as well. No rocker panel or no rear valance panel seam, that's gone. I'm sure this bumper is a full custom made bumper. And of course the tail panel, completely different from the original design, which makes it look so much cleaner overall. I mean, having these little scoops, really incredible. Inside here we have really clean transitions where the body lines are gone. Normally you have an overlap and an overlap here. You still have the overlap here at the tail panel, but all of this is very smooth. Of course the deck lid, custom hinges. No design on rear valance. Okay, why don't we do that? I was looking at the little reinforcement bar behind the seat. So is there?
It's a full cage in there.
There's a full cage in it? Okay.
Yes, sir. It's just hidden really well.
It looks, yeah, I can see that. Ah, okay, now I see it. Yep. So there's the roll bar, formed in, hidden very well, comes back. Can't even tell it on the sides. And then you have this reinforcement bar behind the seat in case you're ever like in a rear impact. It doesn't let the seats go back. Manual shift. What gauges are you using?
I believe those are Dakota.
Are they Dakota? I figured they would be. Ignition switch. With an ignition switch with a push button, I assume.
Yes, sir.
Now, are these your own door panel design?
The whole interior was custom
built, yeah.
Yes, sir.
So it's not something you'll purchase,
Correct.
basically.
Correct.
Yeah.
If the stuff on this car that you can purchase is the hinges,
Yeah.
the mirrors, steering wheel.
Okay. Do you make the scoops?
They 3D printed the scoops, yes.
3D print, yeah. I knew they weren't original, but
Yep, they say 3D printed, and then there's a 3D printed duct that runs the length of the fender, and then the air comes out between the taillights.
Nice. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's pretty cool. And I know it's got the rain gutters are gone.
Yep.
Boomerangs are gone, as I mentioned on the other side. So quarter glass, I'm assuming is the factory dimensions, quarter glass.
Yes, sir.
No changes there. I've seen the blacked out trim, so the glass, I'm assuming is the original dimensions.
Yep.
Nothing's been changed with that.
Correct. Original roof line.
Original roof line, yes. And I know the quarters have been pushed out, so.
Yeah, so it's factory width on the all the way at the end. Each quarter's been bumped out 2 inches in the rear.
Yep.
Goes back into factory spec at the door.
Yep.
Then up front, they've been widened 1.25 inches on each side, and then back into factory at the front.
I could see the difference in the body line, because normally I build Mustangs.
Yes, sir.
So I could see from the door that it did bulge out, but it makes sense now when you talk about that being pushed out further. And I also noticed the extensions. I was pointing that out on that side. Those are not factory. Those are widened at the bottom.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So that bumper can fit.
So the bumper hides in it better.
Yes,
now, are those 3D printed as well?
I couldn't tell you about those.
You're not sure now.
Yeah.
Well, I know the tail panel obviously is not original, and it mimics a more modern Mustang. But
yeah, and the tail panel itself is carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber, is the bumper carbon fiber?
I don't believe the bumper is carbon fiber.
Okay.
It's a metal bumper still.
Because I know the bumper's been tweaked a lot.
Yes.
A lot.
A lot of massaging.
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah, because there's no way that would fit the original. I've got one at home right now, 69 Cobra Jet.
Okay.
And that bumper sticks out that far, and I hate it.
Yep.
Original deck lid, by the appearance of it. I know custom hinges. And I was also commenting about the fact that all these transitions are kind of hidden. Like there's normally a seam where these overlap, so that's all nice and clean and smooth.
Yep.
So, I mean, I know the quality of Ring Brothers.
Oh, yeah.
Obviously, it's very well done. But I needed to come see this today while I was here at SEMA, because like I said, I build Mustangs.
Yes, sir.
And so I'm known for that. But
yep.
I'm not this Mustang builder.
Yeah. I mean, you know the Ring Brothers, and when it comes to Mustangs, it's.
Oh yeah.
That's why I contacted them for this car. Yeah.
Oh, so this is your car?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Jake Otis.
Jake Otis. Yeah. Okay. Well, my name is Barry.
Nice to meet you.
I have a YouTube channel. That's what it is, Jake Otis Garage. And I was just like, I mean, I'm impressed by anything they do. It's really incredible what they can pull off.
Yeah.
But now, were these designs your ideas, or was just you like said, hey, I want something?
Yeah, I pretty much told them I didn't want any chrome on the outside.
Okay.
I want them to paint it black.
Yep.
And then just go wild with it. Is really what I told them. Because when it comes to Ring Brothers, I know they're going to perform. So
I agree.
Their attention to detail is unmatched.
It is.
In my opinion.
It is. Yeah, this is. It even looks like I see the curve on the front fenders even more now when I stand back here, and I can see that bow. That's pretty cool.
Yeah,
that's pretty cool. And of course, all the tray stuff they put up front, blending it in, and looks more like a modern car.
Yes, sir.
So I'm sure it's a blast to drive.
Yeah, I haven't been able to drive it yet. So
really?
The first time I got to see it was at the unveiling on Tuesday morning.
Let's go for a ride.
I wish. I know.
He's in it.
I would love to. I just wanted to just start it up so to hear it. But also, the small subtle difference you might notice too is the front axle has been moved forward 1.5 inches, so the wheelbase is extended 1.5 inches.
Okay, I did not pay attention to that.
And then because you know how on the 69s the wheel sits kind of further back in the fender well, so they wanted it to fit perfectly in the middle of the fender well. But it also gave them the ability to put the engine behind the axle, so the weight distribution is
I like that.
Yeah, and it's also, they welded it up to a roast job chassis, so it's a unibody now.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
So what are your plans with it?
Drive the crap out of it.
I don't blame you.
Yeah, I mean, they build these cars to be driven, so I plan on driving it.
I'm with you.
Once I get that paint protection film on there, I'm going to be ripping.
Good.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yep.
Well, that is really cool. I didn't realize I'd be talking to the owner today, but that's fantastic. So, man,
absolutely.
I love it.
Yeah, thank you very much.
All right, well, cool car. Right. Thanks for talking with me.
Absolutely, man.
And maybe I'll catch up with you another time.
Yes, sir.
All right, enjoy your visit here with SEMA.
Thank you. Thank you.